Hello. So there is a lots of customers want to forward their leads to a specific mail. So with the help of the Zapier integration, you can forward your leads with your customer. So for that, you just need to click on the integration section and go to the add new and select Zapier at there and define the name of the integration like forward leads. And you need a webhook URL. So you need to copy it from the Zapier. So for that, go to the Zapier, select the XAMPP and create a new XAMPP at there. So now click on the new XAMPP. At here, you need to select Webhook by Zapier. After selecting Webhook by Zapier, you need to select the event, which is Catch Row Hook. After selecting it, click on the Continue button and it will provide you a webhook, which you need to copy, and after that, paste it in your webhook URL in the Pagemaker Zapier integration. So after pasting it, now go to your specific landing page. I already opened it, and now select the form field at here and select the Zapier integration at here. After that, click on the save button, review it. Now fill the details, like let's write some name. Let's write a phone number and let's submit it. So after submitting, you just need to click on the test trigger button, and as you can see, they got the URL. You can see the details of the leads like at here. Now to forward these details on your on the specific mail, you need to select email by Zapier at here. Now select the event, send outbound email. Click on the email. Now on which specific mail you want to forward this lead, like let me put my okay. Now what's the subject? Lead of the Pagemaker page. What you want in the body, you can write a proper body at here. I'm just right now selecting the lead details and insert data. Don't want it like attachment from name CC. If you want to add any of the user as a CC or BCC, you can add them. Otherwise, just click on the continue button. Here is a sample, like this kind of mail will be sent to like this particular mail. So now on the testing, the mail will be sent. Let me show it to you. So as like this, you will get a mail like email Kushali. So the Zapier is converting @ into the %40. So you have to adjust that thing. Otherwise, name is also coming, last name is also coming, and phone number is also coming. So you get all the lead details at here via Zapier in your personal mail or in your client mail also. Okay. So this is the integration between Zapier and Pagemaker. If you need any kind of more help, you can message me. Okay. Yeah. So bye.